people coming in for help all day, I haven't had a chance to eat much.
What are
And
you
some
doing
people
with
like toast. To be honest with you, I don't really like toast. What I like is anti-toast. Okay, but strange things happen, even though the looks don't change much. But it does become very, very, very tasty. And then you get anti-toast between us. Yep.
I want to do this so bad right now.
But don't try anti-bologna or other things. I always worry about this when I give you your own. I should work with the physics free. Sometimes I get a little bit too cavalier. I also know that strange things are going to happen with bananas. The molecular structure changes. You see with candles and, well, with flowers, David Goodstein does that, is that the flowers freeze and become brittle, and you can actually shatter them. And, Gus,
I want to do that
your
with the
shot.
toast right now, dude. So bad.
Gus? Yeah? Do you have a plastic glove?
He's-
Did you steal one for me?
Do you have a latex glove?
Steal me one.
How much does it shrink?
Well, it depends on how long I want to leave it in. And it's just like what I told you about the way that we used to be able to determine, well, I've already got that. What I want, when I want to be able to determine something like, the specific heat of copper, we would put it in water, boiling water, we put it into when the water stopped boiling, they were at equilibrium temperature. And when this stops boiling, it will be at equilibrium temperature. And I don't know how long that's gonna take, so I'm not gonna wait for that to happen. But what I'm going to do, it's pretty good. Oh, darn. I got a banana split. Okay, but it does change the structure, almost to a point where it does, I can pound a nail with it and split it. Of course, the only problem with these demos is the room winds up smelling like the back of a school bus. Okay, but just gonna throw those away. They do get nice and neat. This one I've done a number of times, and the one time I did it, I had the most fun with it. That's how it wants to do it.
Best lab ever.
Okay. This changes the entire structure.
It is broke.
I hope you should pay attention. Because one time I did this for a large group, and it came out in the form of an obscene gesture. But notice how this just changes totally the molecular structure of the gas. And I also find that the worst thing I can do at this point is, that's all right, it's not like a banana. And the worst thing I can do is wear gloves. Because sometimes you spill gloves on it, it holds the liquid nitrogen. That's the one time I really got a nasty frostbite. You're better off using your hands than using styrofoams. Now, one of the things, main things I wanted to show you today, and I really need for you to all sit down just again. Don't put them in a container. Remember Edmonton's law. You put them in a container and top right, you make it into a bomb. Don't do that.
Wow.
I didn't put it in it, I just freezing the water. Leave the water
Okay.
inside.
The plastic will really work very well.
But I was freezing the water inside.
Oh, that's spinning by itself.
We gave it a little bit of a kickstart and then it just
Oh,
kept
okay.
going.
Now that's the miser.
Everything I know is a lie.
That's it. Oh, we went to the back.
Yeah.